are going to solve a very interesting math Olympiad questions, which is 2 to the power 2 is equals to t to the power 32. Then the find the value of t. So here 2 to the power t equals to t to the power 32. That imply 2 to the power t, we multiply it in power 1 over t to the power 32. According to exponential formula, we can write a to the power n whole to the power m can be written as a to the power n into m. So basically here we can write 2 to the power t into 1 by t is equals to t to the power 32 into 1 by t. That imply this 1 by t cancelled out. So here we get 2 equals to t to the power 32 over t. Now we multiplied in power by 1 by 32, taking a power 1 by 32 on both sides, we get t to the power 1 by 32 is equals to t to the power t to the power 32 by t to the power 32 by t whole to the power 1 by 32. Now we can write 2 to the power 1 by 32 is equals to t to the power 32 over t into 1 by 32. That can be right 2 to the power 1. We can write 1 by 32 is 1 into 1 by 32. We can easily write this, and here 32 cancel out, so t to the power 1 by t. Now we know 1 can be write as any two same value, both the upper and lower, so we can write easily 1 equals to 2 by 2. So basically in the position of 1 we can write 2 by 2 into 1 by 32 equals to t to the power 1 by t. So basically here we are going to take 2 and 1 by 2 into 32. Now 2 to the power 2, we write 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 32 equals to t to the power 1 by t. We take this and this. Okay, so basically here we get 2 square means 4 is equals to 1 by 2 into 32 equals to t to the power 1 by t. So basically 4 to the power 1 by 64 is equals to t to the power 1 by t. So we can again repeat the process. 4 to the power 1 into 1 by 64 whole to the power t to the power 1 by t equals to t to the power 1 by 2. 4 to the power 1 can be write as 2 by 2. 64 1 by 1 over 64 into t to the power 1 over t. Now we can write same, we are going to same process, repeating the same process. That means 4 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 64 is equals to t to the power 1 by t. That's imply 4 to the power 2, that means 16 is 16 whole to the power 1 by 128 is equals to t to the power 1 by t. Now here 16 to the power 2 by 2, 1 by 122. That simply again we write 16 square power is 1 by 2 into 128 is equals to t to the power 1 over t. That simply 16 square is equals to 2 to the power 56, and the power will be also 1 by 2 to the power 256. So if we compare the both case, we get t equals to 256. So this is our final solution of the following question. So if you need to verify the question, we had 2 to the power 2 equals to t to the power 32. We need to verify this result. So put 2 to the power 256 equals to 2 to the power 56 to the power 32. Now 2 to the power 256 equals to, we can write 2 to the power 8, we can write 2 to the power 56 equals to 2 to the power 56 can be written as 256 can be written as 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 32. So here 2 to the power 8 2 into 8 into 32, therefore 2 into 8 into 32 means 256. So basically we verify the result, both are equal. So t is the value of t is 256.